This is the complete lineup of the SuperBox S7 Android TV boxes, from the most expensive one, which is the S7 Prime, to the least expensive one, which is the S7 Pro. And the difference between the most expensive and the least expensive is around $100. So which one should you choose? And is there really a big difference hardware-wise and content-wise in these TV boxes? Let's find out in this video. So this is the Prime, the Ultra, the Max, and the Pro. The box content is almost the same. There are two small differences between the Ultra, the Prime, and the Max and the Pro. And the small differences are, first, with the adapter. So the Pro and the Max come with the adapter that is detached here, so you can use the cable and the adapter separately if you want to. Whereas the Ultra and the Prime, their adapter comes attached to the cable. Of course, it is better to get an adapter and a cable that are separate. The second difference is in the remote control. The Pro and the Max have a remote control that is not backlit, when the Ultra and the Prime have a remote control that are backlit. And you know the difference here. You have RC200 on the one that is not backlit and RC200L on the one that is backlit. And they are slightly different also, as you see here on the top. And also all the boxes come with a user manual and an HDMI cable. Now let me show you the boxes up close and their I/O ports, and I'm gonna tell you about their hardware configuration. Form factor wise, the only difference is between the Pro and the other three. So the Pro case is made of plastic, when the other three, the Max, the Prime, and the Ultra, it is made of metal, and of course you see the difference also in the color. Another difference in the form factor is the front of the boxes, also between the Pro and the others. So the Pro, as you see here, it has an LCD that is a little bit different than the LCD that is on the other boxes. It is wider and the LED light is integrated here, when the others it is a little bit smaller and the LED light is separate. For the I/O ports, they are exactly the same on the four boxes. You have a DC 5-volt input for the power. You have the IR blaster output, the AV also output, HDMI output, RJ45 input, and you have here an optical SPDIF audio output if you want. And on the side of the boxes, you see also that you have all the ports that are exactly the same. You have the TF card input, USB-C also port here for data, USB-A port for data, and it is USB-A 3, which is very good. And this is the restore button here if you wanna reset them. Now, if you wanna check out any of these TV boxes, I'm gonna leave a hefty discount coupon code in the description. If you use it, I'm gonna gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you. And this way you'll get a good discount on the purchase of any of these TV boxes. Now for the hardware, it is almost exactly also the same in all the TV boxes. So they have all Android 12, unfortunately still, instead of Android 14. It would have been nice if they had Android 14. They have also still the old ARM Cortex-A53 CPU, but it does the job. And they have also the Mali G31 GPU, and they have all also 4 GB of RAM. The only difference is in the storage. The Pro has 32 GB of internal storage, the Max has 64 GB, and the other two, the Ultra and the Prime, they have 128 GB of storage. So the performance will be exactly the same on all the TV boxes, and the extra storage is useful only if you want to install many applications, or maybe also if you want to transfer videos to these TV boxes, because their native applications, most of them cannot record internally to the storage of these TV boxes. And if you want more storage, you can always add a TF card to the S7 Pro so that you can extend its storage. Let's talk now about the content, and I can tell you straight away that all these TV boxes have exactly the same content and the same proprietary applications. The classic blue applications work flawlessly on all the TV boxes, and they have additional applications that they added that will give you access to elite content. Sometimes these extra applications stop working, but they restart working a couple of days ago, so they are not very reliable. Now, which one should you choose and why? In my opinion, the S7 Pro is the best value TV box out there, because all the extra like storage and the others and like the colors and stuff don't mean anything in these TV boxes. If you want to extend the storage in the S7 Pro, as I said before, you can simply put a cheap TF card in it and then set it up as extra storage. And don't forget that I have a coupon that will give you a big discount on all these TV boxes, whether you choose the most expensive one or the least expensive one. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.